The Samsung One UI 9 update is shaping up to be a major software milestone for Galaxy devices, expected to arrive in the second half of 2026 and debut on Samsung's next-generation foldables and flagship phones before rolling out to other eligible models. One UI 9 is widely anticipated to be based on Android 17, bringing deeper system-wide enhancements compared with incremental updates like One UI 8.5, which focuses mainly on refined controls and quality-of-life features. With One UI 9, users can likely expect more advanced AI integration, smarter personalization tools, and enhanced cross-device connectivity that make it easier to share content and workflows across Galaxy phones, tablets, watches, and PCs. Visually, the interface may introduce updated layouts, smoother animations, and greater customization options that modernize the overall user experience. Performance and battery efficiency improvements are also expected, alongside expanded privacy and security controls for more granular management of data and notifications. Samsung's focus on foldables suggests One UI 9 could include refined multitasking modes, improved continuity, and gesture controls tailored for larger and flexible screens, making it a significant update that builds on past One UI versions while pushing the platform forward into 2027.